Hi! So this was shared to me a while ago ng friend ko on how to lock your Messenger app. Sinipagan ako kaya I made a content on how to activate it. So first, click natin ang Messenger. Then sa upper left corner, click natin tong tatlong lines. Next, sa upper right corner, click natin tong icon ng settings. Next naman is click natin tong privacy and safety. And then, hahanapin naman natin yung app lock. Turn on app lock. Then, dito naman, click OK. I-allow natin si Messenger to use our Face ID. So, pumili na lang kayo ng options. Like me, ang pinili ko yung after I leave Messenger, mag-automatic lock na siya. So, ayan, let's try it. I screen recorded my phone, then tried several times to open it without using my Face ID. Ayan, lock na nga siya. It worked. So that's it. We're done. Thank you.